Hey everyone, how are you all doing? Today I want to show you a projector that really impressed me right from the start, the Yoton Y4. It's compact, modern, and comes with Android TV 11, already loaded with Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and Disney+. In other words, just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and start watching. It also features Wi-Fi 6, bidirectional Bluetooth 5.4, and can even be used as a Bluetooth speaker when not projecting. Sounds promising, right? Let's find out together if this mini projector really delivers what it promises. Before we begin, check out the link in the description to get yours. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. First of all, it's worth noting that the Yoton Y4 is sold through the brand's official store on Amazon with a verified seller badge, genuine reviews, and direct manufacturer warranty. A detail that adds even more confidence. On the box itself, you'll find customer service emails and phone numbers, offering real support with responses within 24 hours and resolutions within 48 hours. That's rare for a projector in this price range. The packaging is very secure and well protected. Inside the box, you'll find the user manual, remote control, HDMI cable, power cable, and of course, the Yoton Y4 projector. The design is minimalist and extremely lightweight. It weighs just 635 grams and literally fits in the palm of your hand. Perfect for anyone who wants to take the cinema anywhere. On the top, there's a manual focus adjustment. Underneath, there's a standard tripod mount. At the back, you have HDMI, USB, and power inputs. It includes a built-in speaker, but also supports bidirectional Bluetooth 5.4, meaning you can connect external speakers or use it as a portable Bluetooth speaker to play music straight from your phone. Once powered on, the Y4 quickly loads into Android TV 11 with a simple and fluid interface. Major streaming apps are already installed: Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and YouTube, ready to go. Just sign in with your account and enjoy. You can also download additional apps from the built-in App Store, like Spotify, Prime Video, or VLC Player for local playback. Another feature that stands out is wireless screen mirroring. Thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi 6, you can instantly project your Android or iPhone screen without cables and with minimal delay. Perfect for watching live sports, gaming, or doing presentations. The Y4 has a native 720p resolution, supports 1080p playback, delivers 200 ANSI lumens of brightness, and a 1000:1 contrast ratio. In practice, that means sharp images with balanced colors, especially in dark environments. It can project up to 100 inches, and even from short distances, the definition remains impressive. It also includes auto keystone correction, so if the projector isn't perfectly aligned, it automatically adjusts the image for you. The built-in sound is good for casual use, but when paired with a Bluetooth soundbar, the audio becomes far more immersive, delivering a true home cinema experience. And if you like, you can even use it solely as a Bluetooth speaker, playing your favorite tracks directly from your phone. The system runs smoothly and stably, with no lag or freezing. Apps open quickly, and any small delays are more due to internet speed than to the projector's performance. It's also quiet, energy efficient, and easy to set up, even for beginners. After testing the Yoton Y4 for a few days, I can say it's an excellent entry-level option in the world of smart projectors. Of course, it's not meant to compete with models offering 500 ANSI lumens or more, but considering its affordable price, smart features, Android TV, Wi-Fi 6, and bidirectional Bluetooth 5.4, it's easily one of the most complete models in its category. Perfect for those looking for a compact, practical, and all-in-one projector. It's available in two colors, black and white. If you want to learn more about the Yoton Y4 Pro, I'll leave the link to Yoton's official Amazon store in the description. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.